Hi, I'm Joe Compel, Principal at Memorial School. On behalf of the Totowa School District, administration, faculty, and staff, I'd like to welcome you. We've prepared a presentation for you to inform you about our preschool program. One thing I'd like you to take away from this presentation is that when your children attend Memorial School, they're in great hands. We have wonderful, caring, dedicated staff that will meet your children's needs. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. Please enjoy the presentation. This presentation has a twofold purpose. First, we want to provide you with information about our school, our TPK program, and offer a brief virtual tour of the building. Second, we want to provide you with information about the registration process. Memorial School houses pre-kindergarten through 2nd grades. Washington Park School contains 3rd through 8th grades. The pre-K program is a tuition-based program that is open to both Totowa residents and non-residents. Students enrolled in kindergarten through 8th grade must be residents in Totowa. The pre-kindergarten program is self-contained, meaning the pre-K students report directly to their classrooms in the morning. They do not eat in the cafeteria, they eat in their classrooms. They travel to the playground for recess with their teacher. They have very limited interaction with the older students. It really is like its own little school within a school. Our pre-K program has many options from half days to 2, 3, or 5 full days. Tuition is very reasonable. The half-day program starts at 9 a.m. and goes until noon. The full-day program starts at 9 a.m. and ends at 3 p.m. To enroll in our pre-K program, students must be at least 3 years old and must be toilet trained. We do have a tuition-based before care and after care program to offer as well. For those that are in need of child care services, we have our Cops for Kids program, and it's housed directly in the building. The morning session runs from 7:30 in the morning to 9 a.m. The afternoon session runs from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Our curriculum follows the preschool teaching and learning standards and the New Jersey student learning standards so that your children will receive the necessary skills and instruction for kindergarten readiness. A typical school day involves both group and centers-based instruction. Group instruction may include the whole class working on an activity to ensure readiness for phonics and letter-sound relationships with short daily exercises, or the class sitting with the teacher and practicing a number song. During centers-based instruction, students move through stations within the classroom focusing on specific skills. When your children come to Memorial School, they will not only be provided with an excellent education, but they will also take part in many activities that will lend to lifelong lessons and memories too. In October, we turn our playground into a pumpkin patch. Our pre-K students go outside with their classes to go pumpkin picking. They take their pumpkins back inside to decorate them and bring them home. For Halloween, students and staff alike get dressed up. Weather permitting, we'll have a parade around our building in which parents and guardians are invited to attend. On Thanksgiving, we celebrate with a feast in our classrooms. You can see some of our pre-K students wearing their festive turkey hats. Another program that we participate in Memorial School is Random Acts of Kindness. This is one of our programs where we're really trying to inspire and foster a culture of kindness in our school and community. When teachers recognize acts of kindness, they provide recognition and praise for positive behavior. In the spirit of caring and kindness to others, in the winter, we set up a mitten tree where we collect items that are donated to those in need. The PTO sponsors a book fair that students get to visit with their classes to choose books that they would like to purchase. One evening of the book fair is open to parents, and we encourage you to attend. During the month of February, we celebrate Reading Incentive Month and Read Across America. We have Spirit Days each Friday and fun activities tied to reading. Our goal is to encourage a school-wide increase in recreational reading. At Memorial School, we celebrate the 100th day of school. From the first day of school, students count up to the 100th day. We tie this to student projects and a 100th day food drive, where our goal is to gather 100 items per grade level to donate to those in need. Our culminating activity is a 100th day sing-along. From time to time, we have special presentations for our pre-K students. In the past, we've had the staff from Mystery Science provide a fun-filled assembly with hands-on interaction where students get to see science in action. The Turtleback Zoo has traveled to Memorial School as well. They bring small animals to show to the children and teach them about their habitats. The Totowa Public Library visits our students for story time and an accompanying educational craft or activity. In October, the Totowa Fire Department visits our classroom to teach students about fire prevention and safety. Our district website has been completely revamped in the past few academic years. It contains links to important announcements, the school calendar, as well as links to school and district information. One of the features that I'd like to point out is the virtual book bag, where important announcements are located and archived by week and month. When students are enrolled in the Totowa School District, they are entered into the real-time student information system. We use this system to send out automated messages pertaining to school closures or early dismissals, and to link parents to a parent portal feature as well. Parents that wish to enroll their children in the Totowa preschool program must contact our district registrar, Ms. Steinhilber. We ask that parents please use the district website to click on the important announcements to find the link to sign up for an appointment with the registrar. One important note, that I would like to make is that Ms. Steinhelber's office is located in Washington Park School, not Memorial School. When parents obtain a registration packet, they will find forms pertaining to the enrollment information, a health history questionnaire, a native language survey, a record of immunizations, and immunization requirements. When parents come to register their children, they must bring an original copy of the birth certificate with a raised seal. A copy will be made and the original will be returned to you. Parents must also bring a valid and current New Jersey driver's license. We ask that parents fill in forms completely. At the end of August, room and teacher assignments, as well as information pertaining to our preschool orientation program, will be mailed to parents. Thank you for viewing this presentation. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions in regards to the registration process. Once again, I'm Joe Compel, Principal at Memorial School, and I look forward to meeting you and your children in September.